If we consider the octahedral complex that we had, उसमें these two orbitals are, one of them is dx square minus y square, another one is dz square, right? जो ऊपर वाले यहाँ पे हैं जिनकी एनर्जी हाई है, because the ligands are coming along the axis, along the x and along the y, positive x, positive y, negative x, negative y, and also positive z and then negative z. Now, in this case, the orbital is oriented. Understand it carefully. है थोड़ा सा important है, थोड़ा सा actually काफी important है, थोड़ा सा complicated है. In this case, the x square minus y square, these two orbitals they are oriented along x and along y. ठीक है ना? In dz square, the orbital is oriented along z axis. तो अगर लिगेंड पॉजिटिव x माइनस x से आ रहा है, पॉजिटिव y माइनस y से आ रहा है, पॉजिटिव z माइनस z से आ रहा है, तो लॉजिकली थिंक एंड देन टेल मी आउट ऑफ दीज टू dx square minus y square and dz square, in which case the repulsion would be maximum and why? dx square minus y square. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पे चार रिपल्शन होंगे, चार लिगेंड्स की वजह से रिपल्शन होंगे, यहाँ पे दो लिगेंड्स की वजह से रिपल्शन होंगे. Is this point clear? There's going to be repulsion due to two lobes. That is the ligands coming from negative x and positive x. Here the repulsion would be due to plus x minus x plus y minus y. The ligands coming to like ये चार डायरेक्शन से, यहाँ पे 4 directions से. So that's why the repulsion in dz square would be less when you compare to dx square minus y square. Now due to this Eg will further split. This Eg will further split because now the repulsion has increased. So the energy will also stability. So the electron from this will move to dz square and this will become empty, dx square minus y square, and these three will remain as it is, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so अब जो lone pair आ रहा है यहाँ पे खाली क्यों हो रहा है? In the presence of Cl minus, the electronic configuration of 3d is like this. This is empty. These three are P2G and this is dz square and this is dx square minus y square. Energy wise, how they are placed? Least energy is that of this, that is d xy, d yz and d zx, then dz square and then dx square minus y square. Now there's one more twist in the story that goes like this, that if the field is, or if you can make it further strong, field जो वहाँ पे है, then they also split. They also split. So थोड़ा सोच करके बताओ कि how they are going to split.
Equal likely split.
हाँ?
अगर split होंगे तो equal split.
Z में जो stability है ना, when you compare to x और y, थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स में बात करते हैं. अगर हम इनको एनालाइज करें जो ऑक्टेटल कॉम्प्लेक्स आ रहा है, तो Z की स्टेबिलिटी इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ x एंड y. सो दे विल स्प्लिट सच दैट जहां जहां पे भी Z का कंपोनेंट है ना, वो स्टेबल हो जाएगा, और जहां पे x और y का कंपोनेंट है उसकी एनर्जी थोड़ी सी ऊपर हो जाएगी. इन दिस dx square minus y square and dz square, कहां पे स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा है? Z के अलॉन्ग जो भी ऑर्बिटल्स अलाइंड है उनमें स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा है. x और y के अलॉन्ग जो ऑर्बिटल्स अलाइंड है उनमें स्टेबिलिटी क्या मैं लॉजिकल बात कर रहा हूँ? तो जहां पे z का कंपोनेंट होगा जिस भी ऑर्बिटल, तो मिक्स्ड ऑर्बिटल्स है ना, जहां पे भी z का कंपोनेंट होगा स्टेबिलिटी वुड बी मोर, so the energy would be less. Getting me, yes or no? So finally, if you have a very strong field, strong splitting, अगर in the central metal पे अगर the charge is also very high ना, say +3, then also this barrier, the splitting barrier is high. So there are so many other factors also through which you can increase that barrier between the splitting of the orbitals. So if you split it further, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top में it's going to be dx square minus y square. Then dz square. Then dxy. And then d yz and d, actually I'll write it here, d yz and dz. Please write it. जो strong field ligands and that is Cn minus, कितने हैं? 4 of them are there ना? तो one will occupy the dz square minus y square of 3d nickel का, and then there is 4s and then p. So what will be the hybridization? D sp2, and what will be the geometry? Square planar. The geometry is going to be square planar. Please write it down. ऊपर वाला ऑर्बिटल ऑक्यूपाइड है ना, केवल 4 ही अवेलेबल हैं. Only 4 of them are available. So the geometry will be square planar. Write it down. Note, write it down. Square planar complexes are formed. Square planar complexes are formed by D8 ions. What is the meaning of D8 ion? This is D8. 8 electrons in D. समझ में आ रहा है? 8 electrons in d orbital, 3d orbital. So square planar complexes are formed by d8 ions with strong field ligands. With strong field ligands. The perfect example is NiCN4 2-.